Perform activities. Activity 1, reduce, reuse, recycle. Point to the residential house and the apartment building. Discuss trash or solid waste. Step 1, lift and show the Waste Management Center cards. A recycling center, a household hazardous materials drop-off center, a donation center or box, a compost bin for biodegradables. Discuss and perform activities in the guide. Step 2, bring out the Where Does It Go trash cards. You will be using these cards with the audience. Discuss. Perform recycling activities as outlined in the guide. Activity 2, demonstrate a modern landfill. Make it rain over the modern landfill. Get your audience involved. Use the syringe to pump the collected leachate from the trench in the main collection layer into the leachate storage tanks. Discuss. Use the syringe to pump the leachate from the leachate storage tank back into the landfill. Use the guide to discuss and describe why this is done. Pump the collected leachate from the leachate storage tank into the cup and point to the wastewater treatment plant. Discuss different ways of using and discarding the leachate. Point to the backup collection layer at the bottom of the landfill cell. Discuss. Remove the plug stopper in the main collection layer. Use the guide to discuss what would happen in the case of a liner failure. Remove the plug in the backup collection layer. Discuss. Pump the groundwater monitoring well into the cup. Put your finger over the sprayer hole to prime the pump to make it easier. Discuss this safety check. Share with your audience the sample of liner material that may have been provided with your kit. Activity 3, landfill gas. Insert the straw into the landfill fill tray. Cut straw to shorten as desired. Explain and discuss. Point to the straw. If a methane flare was being used, you would see a continually burning flame. Discuss. Point to the gas plant building. Discuss using the verbiage in the guide. Let's move on and see what happens when our landfill is full. Close a modern landfill. Place the clear plastic cap over the modern landfill as shown. The clear sheet will lay over the landfill. Make it rain on top of the cap over the landfill. Discuss closing or capping a landfill as described in the guide. Activity 5, an older unlined landfill or old style dump or illegal dump site. Let's take a look at the old style dump. Make it rain over the unlined old style dump. Discuss. Look beneath the model. Discuss. Place grass cover, the green felt, over the landfill. Make it rain. Use the in-depth explanations in the guide to teach your audience about these issues. Pump some water from the private well into the cup. Discuss. Once you're done with the demonstration, now is a good time to ask your audience what they learned.